Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. So here we're going to be talking about Gemini CLI, which is one of the free AI out there coding assistant. A lot of people don't know about it, so I'm bringing this to you also just in case you don't know about it. Gemini CLI is totally free. It's actually AI in your code, in your CLI, in your command interface. So you have this AI that exists in your CLI once you've installed it, and it can virtually do anything for you. Anything you ask it to do, it can build, deploy, it can debug, and the funniest thing is that you get free tokens. I think about 1 million free token per day using this Gemini, from Google. So you get 1 million, about 1 million, I think, free token per day, per account. So basically, but also you can also add your keys to it, your Gemini key, if you have any of those keys. So once you run out of free credit, you can switch to your keys and all that. So coming back to this, if you go to GeminiCLI.com, you get this interface where you can copy this command line npm install -g at google/gemini-cli. So I've already installed this. I'm not gonna be installing it again. So other alternative of installing it is also through the GitHub. So you have the GitHub here where you can clone this and install this. I think I used the GitHub when I was installing, so the instructions is just here. Follow the readme here and you would basically get the picture. So once you've done that, I'm just gonna show you how it's gonna look like once you've installed it. So it's gonna look something like this. Let me close this off. Let me make this into a separate instance. Oh, let's just open another one. So once you've installed it, you can access it by just typing Gemini, and then enter, and you have it started up. So it's gonna start up and it's gonna show something like you have in this the home page. It's going to show this interface, and then you are ready. It's going to ask you to log in for the first time if you haven't logged in. So it will open a window for you to use your Google account to log in to get a key. So if you haven't done that before, you can do that. So you can see here, this is the interface. This is the interface, so you can just basically type whatever you want to ask it to do. So currently you can use the 3/help for more information. So let's go to /help. So here you can see all the commands, that you want to add a context, you use add. For example, if you want to add a file, for example, this file that I'm running currently, let me place a error in this file. This is the backend of a mail server. So basically I'm just going to make it fail when starting, and that is true. Let's see where the app is being started. Where it's connecting to the DB. I think I want to do, let's go there and tamper with some things there just to ensure it doesn't work. So let's change this to single end, save it, and then come back. Let's run this. It's already running here. It should throw an error. So once it does that, I'll copy the error and ask it to fix the error. You can see it's throwing an error. Okay, you see. So let's just copy the error here. You can now go to your Gemini. What am I doing? So this is my Gemini, and you can just, I'll just say fix error. So, and I'm gonna paste that in. So this is it, and let's just enter, and then you'll see that it will spring into action. You can see looking for a misplaced semicolon. Let me pull this up. Troubleshooting a compiler error. Debugging the typo. So you can see here it's suggesting a change, asking me to approve this change, which fixes the error. So yes, let's go on and approve. So 1 to approve, 2 to always approve for this session, 3 to modify with external editor. So I'm going to press 1 and it's going to correct the error. So you can see it has corrected the error. Now allow execution of npx. It wants to start the server. There's no need for that, so I'm just going to pray 3. So and that's it. That's fixed it and ended the session. So it's as simple as that. Then you can go to /alt, I think, which will, if you want to change authentication, for example, now let's assume you want to log in, you can use /alt. So clicking /alt here, it says login with Google, use Gemini API keys, or use Vertex. So you can also use Vertex AI. So let me just show you logging in with Google. So I'm going to press 1. So it's going to open this. You can see opening it, asking me to choose an account. So I'm just going to choose this. Sign in. Authentication successful. So that is that about that. Going back to our application, you have seen that the application has authenticated. So for all the commands, list of all the commands, just do /help. You can see all the commands. You can also create a what do I call it, a rule document for it, to tell it what it can edit and what it cannot. Also, so if you want to reference a file, you can use the @ symbol. So @ symbol here will open up all files. So I can select these files I want to attach. For example, app.tsx. I can now scroll down here and attach this file, give it whatever command I want it to do. So that is that about that. So I hope this is helpful for those out there. If you're in need of a AI that can help you, AI assistant that is completely free. This is completely free. You get about a million token per day. Then after that, you have to wait till the next day, or you provide a key. So I hope this helps someone. If this was helpful for you, kindly like and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. So I'm gonna see you guys next time.